And thank you so much for joining us. This is Ellen Kamai, the natural nurse, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about our workshop, which is called Lion's Mane Raws, the magic, mystery, and multitude of benefits of a particular mushroom called lion's mane. So we're going to really spotlight the lion's mane mushroom, and we're just doing a little brief thing today. If you'd like to take the class, just sign up. And don't take it live. You can always catch it on the archive. And it does have 3 CEU credits for all health professionals, but you don't have to be a health professional to take it. Look at this amazing mushroom. Isn't that wild? You can certainly see why it's called lion's mane. A very distinctive look. And it has an anatomy of a typical mushroom is more like this, but lion's mane is quite different. It has spores in the spines that come down and really full of nutrients. Also, it has an incredibly interesting way of collecting materials. This is from lion's mane, and this is called Gliopleuris elements, and they are filled with oily resinous substances. Another place we find that is in cannabis, which is all filled with the cannabinoid oils, and it's a similar structure, as you can see. Also, the way this mushroom reproduces is called bifactorial heterophalic. Very interesting kind of reproduction. Another thing that uses that style are slugs. So slugs and lion's mane mushrooms have that in common. They both use bifactorially heterophalic reproduction. That sounds interesting. Also, lion's mane is a wonderful food, and we'll be talking about some of the great recipes that you can do with it. It also has a lot of spiritual facts because the Buddhist monks wear particular robes called Suzikaki robes, which resemble the lion's mane and are said to look like lion's mane as you're walking through those areas. It has a plethora of scientific studies on various uses, such as supporting cardiovascular health, immunity, digestion, memory, mood, metabolism, as well as the nervous system. And it's particularly well known for its use for cognition and neuroprotection of the brain. It actually helps to build something called NGF, which is nerve growth factor. And in the webinar, we'll go deeply into nerve growth factor, what it is, and why you want it to be supported. It also has a lot of beta glucans in the mushroom cell wall, and a variety of them, which all have different really positive aspects on health and wellness, and we'll be reviewing that as well. So many studies. Of course, you'll get the handouts, and you can visit any of these studies, a reduction of depression and anxiety, neurohealth properties, the mycelia, which is enriched with erinacines, Behavioral Neurology Journal, all kinds of studies, prevention of early Alzheimer's disease, just an amazing array of cognitive studies. There's a lot of other wonderful mushrooms, which we're going to be talking about, such as chaga, which grows on tree trunks, maitake, cordyceps, reishi, lion's mane will be our focus, and shiitake, many other mushroom species. We'll talk about the various health aspects that go along with them. So you can always get us at naturalnurse.com. Visit our archives. Natural Nurse Academy is where we have so many shows, along with the Florida School of Holistic Living, where you can get CEU credits, either 18 or 3 or various amounts, depending on what kind of license you have. If you have no license, you can also learn for yourself, and also you can use it towards getting an RH, which is a registered herbalist certification. So until next time, this is Ellen Kamai, the natural nurse, hoping that you stay healthy.